Okay, I'm gonna show you how to download a movie using Cedar. First you need to go to a torrent website that provides torrent links. I choose yts.am as my site. So I'm gonna download this film. And click on download. You need to copy this link. I'm going to copy the magnet link, copy link address, and go to Cedar, www.cedar.cc, and I'll choose sign in with Facebook. I've already uploaded three films, and I'm gonna upload another film. Paste it here. The copied link will be pasted here, and add the link. That's all you need to do. Then the film will be added to your Cedar account soon. And finally you need to click on this download link, and you can download the whole folder. You can click on this and you can download only the film by clicking on here. Go to folder up and download all folder. Okay guys, this is how I download. Okay, downloading started. Okay guys, now you know how to download a film using